Hi everyone, I'm just going to give a really brief overview of the single subject specific pedagogy course, which is a third term course entitled EDUC 494. The course description is outlined as follows. It is a course designed to provide substantive instruction that effectively prepares each single subject candidate to plan, deliver, and assess content-specific instruction that's consistent with state-adopted academic content standards for students and curriculum frameworks in content areas, and to provide the basic principles and primary values of the underlying discipline. Students will gain insight into the methods of teaching single subject content in secondary education, including selection, organization, presentation, and assessment of content in accordance with state and national standards within a culturally responsive teaching framework. There are approximately 10 hours of fieldwork for EDUC 494. This, of course, is a change from the 10 and 5 week model. We are transitioning to a 16-week model now, rendering an additional 10 hours of fieldwork for our students. During this fieldwork, students will select one of the lessons they've developed in class and will teach it in their placements. Some of the general course objectives for this class, in line with the teaching performance expectations, are that students will develop lessons using various learning theories and adapt for various types of students, prepare and critique a variety of lesson plans, assessments, and curricular approaches that are effective at the secondary level. They'll write lesson plans, they'll teach lessons and evaluate lessons that teach a variety of strategies. They'll use learning theories and problem solving to develop lessons of inquiry and discovery in the middle school and high school classroom. They'll develop, practice, and reflect on their teaching practices. They'll demonstrate an understanding of the standards for the teaching profession. They'll integrate technology into classroom instruction and assessment. And finally, they'll be able to gain a proficiency in the knowledge of the continuance for professional growth through the communication of professional responsibilities and self-development. Some of the required textbooks for this class, you'll see these are different from the 10 and 5 week course. So these are the three: Culturally Responsive Teaching and the Brain. This is the Zaretta Hammond text. The New Art and Science of Teaching. This is the Marzano text. And Technology and the Diverse Learner, A Guide to Classroom Practice. So that's a general overview of the requirements and sort of the course objectives for this class. In the next section, I'll be going over some of the assignments.